Good morning, my brother and my sisters. Today I'm trying to teach you how you can make a sweet potato salad. Sweet potato is very good. It's a carb. It gives you energy in the morning. Usually I eat my breakfast salad. So one of the things in the salad is the sweet potato. So you just peel the sweet potato and then you shred it. Very simple. You don't have to. I usually use lemon, not lime, but if it's, you don't have it, that's fine too. More than enough. See, it's getting darker immediately. And the lemon will help not to be dark, that dioxide. Nutritional yeast have vitamin B12. So go ahead and test it. I want you guys to test it.